First of all, we will draw its big black eyes, nose, and smiling lips. Now it's the turn of its big and interesting head. It looks like the baby dinosaur. It's coming out of the egg. A few cracks on the egg to show that it is trying to get out. It's time to color. Our yellow and orange dinosaur was sleeping in its egg. One day, the egg started to shake. The baby dinosaur was trying to get out. It pushed with its claws and shook its tail. Finally, the eggshell cracked and the little dinosaur looked out. It looked around and smiled. It was so happy to see the world. What a beautiful and cute baby dinosaur!